Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create a game pass for Please Donate on Roblox. So if you want to create a game pass, it's really simple. So I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So there's a new update recently that got rid of associated items. So all the videos before were saying that you had to go to associated items, but that's gone now. So I'll show you guys how to do it the new method. So first, you can't go to the Roblox app. You have to go to an actual browser. So make sure you do that, but head on over to any browser of your choice. And then you want to search for roblox.com. So once you search for roblox.com, it's going to bring you to this page here, and here right underneath continue in app, there's going to be an option to continue in browser, as you can see right there. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on that, and it will bring you to the next page here. Now here, you're just going to want to log in real quick and do whatever you have to do, but just log in. And once you log in, it's going to load for a bit. It might ask you to do a two-step verification if you have that enabled. So I'm going to do that real quick. Now once you have done that, it's going to bring you to this page here, and you're just going to want to click on continue in browser once again. Now once you're on the browser, as you can see right here, you're going to want to click create, which is one of the 4 options on the top of the screen. Now once you click on create, it's going to bring you to this page right here. It's going to bring you to the creator hub. So once you're on this page, it's also create.roblox.com/landing. And once you're here, you're going to want to click on the 3 bars in the top left corner of the screen. And once you open that, it'll show all these options right here. And here, you're going to want to go to dashboard, which is the second option down. Now once you click on dashboard, it will bring you to this page here, and it will show all of your experiences. So all the maps that you have. So you will automatically have a map that was created for you when you created the account, so don't even worry about it. It should just be your name's place. So in my case, it would be Tsubasa's place, or Tsubasa Boots' place, but I changed the name of it, so you can just go ahead and head over to the map. So click on it, and it will bring you to this page here, creation/the name of your place/overview. Now once you're here, you're going to want to click on the 3 lines in the top left corner of the screen once again, and from here, you're going to want to scroll all the way down until you see the option for monetization products, as you can see right here. And out of these options, there should be an option for passes. Once you're on passes, you can go ahead, and if you don't have any passes created, then you can go ahead and click create a pass. It'll look exactly like this. You just have to click create a pass. Then you can upload an image. You don't have to. You can put whatever you want as the name. You can put whatever you want as the description. You can create the pass. Now once you've created the pass, make sure that you put it on for sale. So head over to the pass real quick, and then you're going to want to click on the 3 lines in the top left corner once again. Now all these options, there should be an option for sales right here. Now once you find sales, it'll bring you to this page here, and here you can turn on item for sale. Name the price that you want in Roblox, as much as you want, and then click save changes. Roblox will take 30% of your earnings, so keep that in mind when you set the price. But there you go, you now have a pass, and you can now go on to Please Donate, and you will be able to sell your items using this pass, and you can get donations. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe, because this will make it so more people can see this new updated version. So I'd really appreciate that. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.